guys! Again, welcome back dito sa aking YouTube channel. Again, this is Yana. And today's vlog, napaka-legit itong pag-uusapan natin. Kasi share ko sa inyo itong isang company nga na nag-o-offer ng loan sa mga estudyante, sa mga college student. At kapag makautang kayo dito, pwede nyong bayaran after graduation, di ba? So, napakalaking tulong ito, lalong-lalo sa mga estudyante na kulang sila sa pera or sa budget para i-finance nga ang kanilang pag-aaral. By the way, ito po yung invested student loan in the Philippines and nagawan ko na rin ito ng aking vlog before pero natabunan na ata at marami na naman yung mga nagtatanong sa comment section at yung mga nagme-message sa akin na estudyante na nagtatanong kung saan nga daw sila pwedeng makautang. Invested is a student loan provider in the Philippines that offers easy and affordable financing for students. They have helped thousands of students by making it possible for them to obtain the funding they need to cover their tuition and other related expenses. Malaking tulong po talaga itong program na ino-offer nga ng Invested. At ito nga yung mga borrower requirements. Kung sakali na isa kang estudyante, college student at gusto mong subukan nga na mag-apply dito sa Invested Student Loan, ilalagay ko na lang din yung link sa comment section at sa description below. Pwede nyo i-click yung link na yan para may explore. Eligibility criteria, dapat daw po isang Filipino or be a citizen of the Philippines or a resident of the Philippines. Ang edad po ay at least 18 years old pataas, must be in the last 2 years of college, must be enrolled in a university in the Philippines. At eto, yung mga requirements na kailangan yung i-prepare once na nagbabalak na kayo na umutang dito. Valid and current school ID, yung copy of your NSO birth certificate, yung proof of your present address, most recent electricity, water, or internet billing statement, yung copy of all your grades since you were in college, and then yung government ID, barangay or NBI clearance, yung proof of enrollment from the current school term. So, itong Invested nga, diba? Sabi ko kanina, nag-o-offer ng loan sa mga estudyante at pwede nga nating bayaran after graduation. Student can get value for their money from this loan. Student not only get access to quality education but also quality mentorship and community access that can help them create networks and connections which can help them climb their career ladder. Students get many options to repay their loans at merong 5 steps para makautang kayo dito. Number 1, complete your funding application. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede kayong mag-apply online. At usually po, 2 to 5 banking days, makaka-receive kayo ng reply dito nga sa Invested. Naabot po ng 8 days yung pag-process nga nila ng inyong loan application. First, you will have to make an account and then log in through that account to start your application process. The loan application should not take more than 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Once you have completed the loan application, submit it on the site and you will get a reply within 2 to 5 banking days. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. At number 2, meron po kayong matatanggap na tawag. At ito nga po yung phone review. If you qualify for the loan, the phone officer will contact you for a phone interview. This interview usually takes 20 to 30 minutes. This is simple interview to check your credential and discuss the initial terms and rates of the loan contract with you. Diba? So, napakadali lang. Akalain mo, mag-apply ka lang online. At yung link nga po ilalagay ko sa comment section at sa description below, diba? Para may explore nyo. Pero by the way pala, hindi po ako binayaran ng Invested ha. Bali, shinare ko lang sa inyo, ay napaka-legit na pwede nyong i-consider na utangan lang sa mga estudyante. Number 3, complete and submit the requirements. Once the phone interview is successfully completed, you will be asked to submit the required documents to prove yung academic status, yung government identity, at yung location status. At number 4, yung sign the contract and become a member. Once the documents have been successfully submitted and accepted, you will be required to sign the loan contract. Make sure to read the contract to understand all of the terms, conditions, and rate completely. Once you have completely understood the contract, sign it to become a member of the community. At siguro mga beses may mga nagtatanong sa inyo, Miss Yana, magkano nga pa yung interest? So, nagra-range between 2.42% to 2.67%. This is cheaper than most private lenders who have rates of 5% up to 3% per month. Napakababa yung interest ha, kasi nagre-range ng 2.42% to 2.67% lang. Can I have a two loan at the same time? Diba? So yes, syempre, pwede. However, approval is dependent on your repayment behavior and the remaining number of months you have yet to pay in your previous loan. Sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede bang magbayad ng mas maaga, pwede naman. You may pay ahead of your due date. This is in fact encouraged. It will be considered an advance payment and will be posted to the corresponding month it is intended. And pwede rin naman pong i-pre-terminate yung loan nyo. You may pre-terminate your loan. You just need to settle your total outstanding balance and send a copy of your receipt. So, monthly po yung due date natin dito mga beshies. And sabi kong kanina, isa sa pinakamaganda ay pwede nating bayaran after graduation. Kaya talagang makakalawag kayo. Akalain mo, mag-aaral ka. And then, syempre, dapat pagka-graduate mo, maghanap ka agad ng trabaho bago ka mag-start na magbayad ng inyong utang. Kaya napakalaking tulong po talaga itong invested loan na pwede nyong i-avail. Lalong-lalo kung ikaw ay isang estudyante na third year college na, fourth year na, pero nakukulangan ka or kulang ka sa budget para i-finance nga ang iyong pag-aaral. Pwede mong subukan itong invested loan. First-time borrowers can loan up to 40,000 subject to the assessment and approval of invested admission team. Loan amount are evaluated based on your educational need, educational and or employment background, and other household details. These multiple factors are considered to come up with a loan offers that best matches your needs and capacity to fulfill your financial obligations with invested in a timely manner. Once a part of the investing community, you may apply for an additional or alumni loan and avail lower interest rates, privilege extended to active investees with good repayment record. Diba? So, maraming mga benefits once na nakautang ka dito at naging part ka nga ng investing community. Diba? So, sana may nakuha kayo na idea sa video na ito kung ikaw isang nanay at kulang pa sa budget para mapatapos ang inyong anak sa kolehiyo. Pwede niyo sabihan yung anak niyo na subukan itong invested loan nga. At kung ikaw naman ay isang estudyante at sa tingin mo medyo nahihirapan na yung parents mo para i-finance nga or para i-provide yung pangangailangan mo, pwede niyo subukan itong invested loan. Ayan. So anyway, sana nga may nakuha kayo na idea sa video na ito. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Sana i-like nyo din yung ating video at huwag nyo kalimutan na i-share. Thank you guys at see you on my next video. Bye-bye!
Subscribe na para makasali sa pa-GCash at cellphone giveaways na mai-announce every 25th of the month. Mechanics. 1. Find the 3 words in this video. 2. I-comment ang 3 words in order. 3. Like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. If declined sa bank and other loan apps, pwede niyong subukan yung ibang options. See the links sa description at sa comment section below. Click the link and apply. Disclaimer: try or apply at your own risk.